All right, so we're finally here, way out here in Will's Point. I'm not very happy about the drive. I'm gonna tell you that right now. It sucks. This drive is ridiculous, but whatever. It is what it is. I'm gonna stop complaining because it's gonna be a bad day. And today's Friday. I want it to be a good day. Man, I should have backed on the street. Yeah, they're gonna need to flatten all that shit down. They're gonna have to flatten all that stuff down, so I see them working on it. You should have had it already ready when we got here. Like they didn't have an advance notice with an hour and a half that it took us to get here. Stop waving at everybody. Once you're waving at them. I was waving. Happy ass. Yeah, we were here with a 20 yard I picked up a while back. 20 was really heavy. You guys gotta fix that shit. Yeah, just go ahead and hit the dumpster, don't you? Smack the shit out of it, bro. Golly. Start charging wait time, 9:13 a.m. You don't look like Clayton. Clayton would be doing a lot better job crushing that stuff in there. Yo, yo. There we go.
How much I have been hanging off? I'm sorry.
What's going on, man?
Oh, how you doing, brother?
Good, good, good. Yeah, all that stuff's got to come.
It's come off?
It's got to come off or go way down, because like that's about. I got to put the tarp on top of this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's kind of loose too, so
yeah.
I kind of feel like I should take it off.
Yeah, because we got a long way to go.
I got you, brother.
Probably appreciate it.
Thank you for telling me.
Yeah, like this right here, and the nose. Yeah, they got to go. Or crushed in somehow.
Yeah, I was trying to crush them in, but they're not folded in. I gotta put those at the bottom like I did the other ones.
Yeah.
Because the other driver told us that when we put those on top, they
fly like a kite. Yeah.
All right, give me just a minute.
All right, man. I'll just take this little four-wheeler for a ride. Oh, let me check the schedule quick. I got a lot of shit going on today. Dang, I didn't even see that power line. I'm surprised I was able to fit under it. Yeah, sure you saw it. Yeah, okay, whatever. I don't believe you. Yard. So the thought process is going to be...
Houston, we've had a problem.
Bro. Did I take out the power line? Ay, ay, ay. I told you to watch it for me. You would have seen me rip it down just like you've seen all the other ones that I've ripped down. That you've been with me.
There's only one.
Yeah, the guy's seen it. I was hoping for good content. Alright, so he's finally done. Go ahead and take it away. This is a good demo. I bet it's like 3 hours away round trip. We charge them extra, but it still doesn't make me feel any better when we got a jam-packed Friday and we're actually like turning away jobs because we just don't have enough time or we're pushing stuff away. Alright, let's go. When we were going, I exited and I looked.
Here's the sentence. I'll definitely be back next year because...
Connections. I'll definitely be back because connections and just meet, I guess, new vendors, learn more to keep expanding because you can't stop growing.
Yeah, those connections are, I think, paramount for our business. And, you know, sitting here with the training, you know, some of the speakers bring some really great knowledge, just not of dumpsters specifically necessarily, just business in general, becoming a better businessman, and listen to some of them speak and some of their aspects they bring to their businesses to grow and scale their businesses. It's pretty awesome to hear. So I think that'll help us going forward. I'm looking forward to more of that.
Leave it exactly where I had it. What's wrong with you?
What? You don't know where to put them?
Leave it exactly where I had it. Huh? Don't touch it.
Bro, I had it perfect.
No, you didn't. Look at this one. How, this one, look at this.
Oh, you already done putting it down. Oh.
It's got a big old overhang, so you gotta be careful with the overhang. You good? You good?
Yeah.
All right, so these customers requested the roller skates, and they have a huge hangover, and they want it by the back gate as far as possible, so we don't hit the hangover. Oop, kind of going at an angle though. Let's go a little bit this way, straighten the dumpster out a little bit. Gate all the way down the driveway, turning to the side. It's getting really close to the house now. No, that's the problem with the roller skates, is they don't. But wheels would be way better. I gotta lift it back up. So without the roller skates, the dumpster slides. I know exactly how it rolls, and so I was gonna roll it right where it needed to be. But the roller skates is kind of like being on ice, and so there's really no control over exactly the way the dumpster was backing up. So I was trying to turn it as I would normally without the skates being on, and it wasn't working. So just move over to the right of the driveway as much as I possibly can, and then try to set it down again. Marked up and scuffed up the entire driveway with the roller skates, which is what they probably didn't want. I can't see you. I'm gonna go further back. Move those things. I'm gonna go all the way to where I wanted to set it without sliding it now, because I don't trust that I'll be able to slide it straight. So I can fit to the right of the awning. Yeah, it's like a 4-foot overhang. He didn't have me back there to correct it like I did earlier. Put the front pad on. That's that's way more than a door. They want it as far back to the gate as possible.
Because there's a tree.
Oh well, good enough. This is why we charge extra, because I would have been gone 10 minutes ago. Is it on both of them? I don't know why it's wobbly. What is the teeter-tottering for?
I guess the cement.
In the driveway?
Yeah.
All right, good enough. All right, we done.
All right, guys, just here picking up the truck. Just got it fixed here in Ennis. It was parked across the lot. Walked over here. All right, so let's head back to the shop.
All right, we are here. Man, this is I thought I kind of live out in the middle of nowhere, which this is probably about the same. Maybe a little more dirt roads than mine. But we're here in Chatfield, Texas. Got the Mini International back. I won't say what I had to do with it, to it, I guess I could say. But it cost me right around $4 grand, and it has to do with the DPF DEF system, so, which is legal, so it doesn't really matter supposedly, but still doesn't mean I'm going to implicate myself. Anyways, this guy said he wanted it in front of the concrete, which he's got a piano in here he wants to take out, but I couldn't. Ideally I would put the back of the dumpster up to the concrete, but I can't fit sideways, of course. So we're gonna put it like this. Send him a picture. They're both kind of, the main guy, the customer, and his tenant were both kind of insistent that I parked it a certain way or place it a certain way. But I can kind of go at an angle like this, but that's about as far as I can go. No, that's too far. Let's try to fix it a little bit. Actually, it's not that bad right there. It's actually pretty daggone good if you ask me. Live oak dumpsters. No speaking Spanish. No text message. All these scammers still calling. Speak Spanish? Nope. Text message. Text me. No text. Beautiful. That's about as good as I can do it. I'm gonna send them a text message because they seem pretty anal.
Look at this park job.
Gave him plenty of room to open the door. Problem is, we don't have very good service out here. 2006.
Where's the queen?
Waiting for the owner to text me back, but my text message isn't even going through. I've got no service here, so it's gonna have to be good enough. All right, and we are out and on to the next one.
What would you say to somebody on the fence about coming next year?
Do I need to say it again? Because if you didn't come, if you don't want to go, sorry, you missed it again, dude. What? I can't even, you know, this isn't dodgeball. You know, we're not throwing wrenches at your head. You just need to come here and just enjoy the fellowship. How about that?
Yep.
Don't even worry about, don't have any expectations like, well, when I get there, they better teach me something. Just come here, chill.
You need to get down here. If you thinking about getting to this business, you need to get down here. Get in the doggone room. Like, it's so much value down here. I mean, you got the finance guys, insurance guys, you got all your different equipment guys, you got business owners. I mean, you have literally everything, marketing, everything that you can even think of. They have it down here.
All right, back at the shop again, grabbing the 15, heading out. I like when dumpsters start heading out and stop coming in. I got 2 full 20s over there. Just have no time to dump. None. I think Daniel's gonna be bringing one back to full. Get a part-timer to dump at night. Still got my buddy Elton that might want to come out at night. Got it. And now we're heading back south, heading down to Corsicana. We gotta show a map of all the places we've been to today. From Wills Point all the way to Corsicana. Although, of course, we were in separate trucks. Oh, got it. Nope, what the hell? Got it. Oh, we out. Yes, please. Okay. Do you think I can pull in and have enough room to turn around, or should I back in? Okay. All right, and here we are in Corsicana, delivering a 15-yard. This will be the last one for the day. I just heard some guy call me lame, but he's a Republic driver, so take that with a grain of salt. Republic schmublic. We've got some breaking news that's going to be happening in the next couple weeks, guys. I can't wait to tell you guys about that. I can't release too much information yet, but yeah, it's super exciting news. I think a lot of people are going to want to know and hear about it all around the country, but mainly us Texas guys. Why is it not going forward? Gotta really concentrate. You want me to go back more? You want me to go back? So yeah, hopefully in one of these coming up videos within the next month or two, we'll be able to break the news. And this is probably, I know I say it all the time, I'm excited because I'm gonna be a part of. So, all right, 15:01. That's it. Let me get out of the driveway so I can pull the U-Haul back in and head back to the shop. Oh well. You pay attention to picking up the dumpster. Where are you going now?
Walmart in Lancaster.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, at the auto care part of Walmart.
Is that last minute one?
No, it's been on there. I've had all kinds of shit, but
All right.
right there.
Is that your last one?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so we are back. I've got some emails to respond to. I've got some Dumpster Expo stuff to do. Do not forget www.dumpsterexpo.com. I really hope to see you guys there. It's going to be freaking insane. But yeah, we're done. It's raining outside. Appreciate Kim Industries. They're going to shoot over the 45-degree elbows. They're actually going to drop it off tomorrow. Matter of fact, this is them calling right now. Hey, Josh. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. We out. Yo, what's up?